Hey guys, this is Matt. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2017 M6 Competition. We've taken it from stock to, I would say, bolt-ons and tune. It already had M Performance exhaust on it, which is made by Akrapovic, which sounds great. So we did active autowerks, high flow catted downpipes. We did a set of rktunes, front mount intakes, carbon fiber set of grills from IND Distribution, and we'll do XHP Stage 3 Transmission Tune and BM3 Stage 2 91 octane tune. With all the mods that we did to it, estimate you're probably going to gain 30%, maybe a little more. So this should be around mid 600s horsepower at the wheel, and torque capacity is going to be around 700 foot-pounds on the limits, so we don't want to go above that. Next steps, we'll fire this thing up, let you guys hear it. Let's see if we can hear these intakes. Oh yeah. Feels solid. These things are torque monsters.
Like, you've drove this stock. How does this compare to stock?
I mean, I'd say the biggest increase is the torque feel, especially with the transmission tune.
Yeah.
It's a lot snappier. Of course, I mean, DCTs are quick anyway, but it makes a big difference. I can hear the turbo, but I know the camera won't pick it up.
Yeah.
Because of the wind.
Oh yeah, you can really hear those intakes.
Yeah, I could hear it when I let off. Overall, customer's going to be excited.
It's crazy how quick these are for just bolt-on.
Yeah, for just a downpipe and a tune, that's basically all you did. Intake's going to add noise.
Sounds so good.
Gotta love V8. Well, that's it, man. I mean, super quick and to the point. Most of this stuff's pretty easy to do, even for guys at home. If you can get underneath it a little bit, you can manage to do the downpipes and things of that nature. Got a full bumper off to do the intakes. Other than that, simple. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you guys would like to see.